Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Bolabutty wireless Bluetooth speaker, either the X-GO or the C27C waterproof speaker, and you are trying to pair it or connect it to the Bluetooth on your iPhone, on your Android, Samsung, etc. So it's very simple to do. This is a very basic speaker. All we need to do is with the speaker turned off, we are just going to press and hold the power button for 2 seconds until the speaker turns on, and we'll see the blue light will start to flash. And from there we can go to the available Bluetooth devices on our phone or other device and select this speaker, at which point it will automatically pair, and then this will start to flash slowly once it is paired. Now if you turn the speaker off, turn it back on, then it's going to automatically repair with that speaker, with that device that you had. So if you want to pair it with something new, what you want to do is just turn the Bluetooth off or have that phone or device forget this speaker. Turn the speaker off, turn it back on, and it will, since it can't connect to the old device, it will automatically go back into pairing mode. Now, hopefully this will get you paired. If you're still stuck and it's not pairing to the thing you want, I recommend you do a reset on the speaker, and I'll put a link in the description to how to do that reset. If this worked for you, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.